Most people created a YouTube channel and never get view. But in the few minutes, I will show you how to create a professional YouTube channel using free AI tools. And at the end of this video, I will switch you to my screen and walk you through every step live. Don't skip, because one step could determine whether your channel will look professional or unprofessional. If you are new here, I am Uncle OC. I help creators grow on YouTube using smart strategy and AI. If you have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but you don't know where to begin, this video is exactly what you need. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video for other people to take advantage too, and comment the challenge you are having as a YouTuber on the comment section. Thank you. So let's go to the screen. Let me show you how this works. So here we go. Like you all know, there's no way we can open a YouTube channel without a Gmail account, a Google Gmail account. So if you don't have any, you have to go get one. So I wanted to start from you creating a Google Gmail account. So let's start it. Here are all the Google Gmail accounts that is in my phone. You can see it here. So if you don't have anyone, you create one. And on my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Gmail account for those that don't know how to create it. But I believe everybody will know how to create a Google Gmail account, because without Google account, there's no way your phone can be function well, because many things on the Android phone, iPhone now requires a Google Gmail account. So without no much wasting of your time, so let me take you to where we can start it. So you need to go to your Google Play Store. You look for this AI app, this chat GPT, chat GPT. You can see the app here. You download the app, then based on say I have mine already, I will not going to waste your time download this again. This might is requesting updating, but let me finish of what I want to do first. So you can see the app here. You open the app. So when you open the app, we are going to asking the app to give us the YouTube channel name. Like, we'll explain everything to run. Like, as you hear my voice now, listen to what I'm going to say, telling ChatGPT. God is very good for you to using voice, because from voice you can express your feeling, like what you need the ChatGPT to help you do. From through voice, you can say it more better than text. So you are going to click on this mic sign here. Give me a genuine YouTube channel name, and my channel niche is how to grow on YouTube. So suggest me a best name, like a short name that people can be recognized. You can see all what I say has been typed here. Give me a genuine YouTube channel name, and my channel niche is how to grow on YouTube. So suggest me a best name, like a short name that people can be recognized. You can send it now, then you send it. You can see, you can see, you can see. If your niche is teaching people how to grow on YouTube, your channel name should be short, memorable, and easy to search. You can see here are some stronger options. Number one, tube boost. Number two, grow tube. Number three, tube lift. Number four, YT mastering. Number five, tube mentoring. You can see all the things they give me. 15 great YouTube channel name they give me, but they say since you have previous branded yourself as Uncle OC, you could also build on that personal brand, which is Uncle OC, Uncle OC TV, Uncle OC Studio, Uncle OC Academy, Uncle OC Creator, Grow with Uncle OC, Uncle OC Media, Uncle. You can see it. You can see everything here. Grow to simple, memorize, and clear about YouTube Grow. So you can see it. So from here now, I want us to just choose this Uncle OC TV, because the channel that I want to create is for myself. Now I have to copy the name, Uncle OC TV. So this is, then you close You just minimize this ChatGPT here. You minimize it. So here we are going to open our YouTube. You open your YouTube app. If you have any channel before that you did not, the channel, maybe the channel does not go in the way you think, so you are going to click on account here, account up here. So from here, that Google, that Gmail account that is in your phone, that is where we are going to get all of them. So from here, we are going to click on this plus sign. You can see this plus sign up here. Click on it. If you don't have any before, you will not going to follow this process. Directly, they will take you to all the Gmail accounts in your phone. But if you have, this is what you you have. This is what you have. So here, if you don't have Gmail account, you create a Gmail account, and if you have, it's less for you to log in. So, but I would like to get back to my own Gmail account that I have already created on my phone. So I will not proceed with here. So let's go back. So let's go back. We'll click on accounts. Okay. Now you can see all the Gmail accounts in my phone. All the Gmail accounts on my phone. You can see there. You can see there. You can see some of my channel. One have 41 subscriber, one have 2 subscriber, and my main channel is the one that have 3,000 something subscriber. So now let me look for Gmail that is not yet registered. It's not creating channel. Like you see this one you are seeing here. No channel. When they write no channel, if your own doesn't have channel before they write no channel, let me click on login there. Now I have clicked on login here. You can see I don't have channel on this account, on this Gmail account. So I'm going to click on this create a channel. You can see where they write create channel here. You can see they ask the channel picture, the channel name, the channel handle. So let's click on this pencil sign here. You need to take your time and watch this video. So I'm going to input that my channel name that I copy. Let me paste it here. You can see. Then I'll click on save. You can see both my handle has been updated to Uncle OCTV, which is very simple for people to reach my channel. So now we need a picture that can fit this our channel now. So you can go back to this ChatGPT. You can still tell them to create a profile picture for you. I choose Uncle OCTV as my channel name. Please help me create a 3D picture that I can use as my profile picture on my YouTube channel. You can see you have typed all the thing, then you send it. Now, in this place, they have given us a prompt that we can use to create a picture based on say I did not ask them to create a picture for the first time. So this page I am on my ChatGPT is a page of writing up. It's not a page to create an image. So you can see, please upload a clear selfie, front facing, good lighting, and creating a premier 3D picture profile for Uncle OC TV, a realistic 3D portrait of this. So this what they give me here is a prompt. It's a prompt. So now I'm going to copy the prompt from this realistic. Let me copy it to here like this. I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to click on new chat. So I'm click on creating an image. So I'm going to click on here. So I'm going to paste that prompt here. So if I wanted to use my profile picture here, after this prompt, I'm going to say use this image. use this in your picture. Use this picture. Then I'm going to click on the on the plus sign here to upload the picture. Let me click on the plus sign here. Then enter my photo. Not even sure whether I have any correct photo here. Okay, let me just use one of these my photo. Now, I'm doing this thing as a tutorial for you to just learn. So you are going to send all this prompt with this image to this person, to the ChatGPT to create your profile picture. Let's send it. If you don't want your picture to appear, do not, like people that do faceless YouTube, even though not faceless YouTube, you can just create as a logo. Then they will create a logo for you. But this, I just want to use I just want my picture to be showing. That's why I'm using this. So for yours, you can choose not to include in your picture, and you can choose to include in your picture. If you don't want your picture, just paste only prompt there and send. They will create for you. Wow. Wow. So anytime I meet this type of picture, it's doing me to recreate another YouTube channel. Oh. Can you see it? Uncle OCTV. Don't you love what you see? Can you see it? So you can see this is how to do it. You save it. You save it. Then let's go back again. I want to tell them to create a banner for me, but they should not include in my picture here. Help me create a YouTube size banner for this Uncle OCTV, but don't include my picture in the banner. So as they are creating this one, so we are going to upload our, let's go back to YouTube. Then let's upload our picture here. You can see professional. Wow. So now we can go on and create a channel. You can see you can edit your name, you can edit your handle. Let's create a channel. Ta-da-da. Here is our channel. Here is the channel. Here is the channel. So now let's see the picture we get here. You can see, you can see the banner that they create here, Uncle OC. He just doesn't follow the write up. You can retell them to edit it. Then you can save this. They just because of my pronunciation. So you can pronounce your own well. You can see our channel here. When you click on the channel here, you click on edit channel. So from here, you click on this picture sign, this camera sign. Then you choose from phone. You, you click it. So you're going to bring it down like this. Then you save. Wow. In this now, you can go to your any photo editing or video editing to make this banner to be sizable, like to make it look the size when we say this thing will be okay. So, but from this one, based on seeing a tutorial, I don't want to spend enough time in it. I don't want to spend enough time in it because I'm just showing you a tutorial. So that's why I don't want to spend enough time in it. So from here now, we have creating our YouTube channel. We have our YouTube channel. Then to start to upload video, you create a video here. But this is not the end of the channel. Many people stop here and starting upload their video, and that is why it will be very hard for you to grow as a YouTuber, because there are some necessary setting, like some important setting that is supposed to attach to your YouTube, which is nobody can do for here unless you go to YouTube Studio. So for this video, not too long, for not too long, I will going to create another video extra that will show you how to optimize, how to set your channel to make YouTube understand what your channel is all about. Because this one you are seeing here will not make your YouTube understand what your channel is all about. But at least you are getting a channel, but you need to get in some setting that can make your channel to be visible on YouTube. So even everything you need to do, you use AI to do everything that you need to do. So as this channel day now, our channel does not have channel description. So I'm going to let me just add you how to get a channel description, a professional channel description. So let's click on description here. So let's go back to our chat GPT. Okay, give me the channel description of this channel that you help me create a profile picture. Give me the channel description, very short and very understandable, that can attract people to view my video. Then send. You can see, welcome to Uncle TV. Learn how to grow on YouTube. Create amazing video with free AI tools, master video editing, and build a successful online brand. You ever subscribe and start growing today? Just copy here. You just copy here now. Then go back to that place and just paste it here like this. Then save. You can see our channel this thing now. So I'm going to stop for here because I don't want this video to long past 20 minutes. I'm going to stop for here. So for the next video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your video. You can even check on the comment section. I'm going to drop a link of that video here, because even though the video is not dropped today, it's going to be dropped the next 2 days. So from here, you are creating your YouTube channel, but the channel is not yet optimized, that is not yet setting. So I'm going to drop a video for you here. And if you want me to give you a private lesson, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, or with the phone number, or with find any link around my bio to contact with me. Even drop your comment. I can follow comment to reach you if you want any lesson on how to build a successful YouTube channel. I thank you, and may God